What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to BGEV, where we give you a glimpse into the electrified future of vehicles. My name is Austin, and today we are actually going to be solving a problem with Joan's Tesla Model 3. Now, because the Tesla Model 3 has such a high volume of sales, one of the problems she's facing is actually being able to recognize her own car. So what we're doing today is installing these logo covers that actually change the color from chrome to the choice that she's chosen, which is blue carbon fiber. So what we're going to do is give you a quick tour of these things themselves. We're going to show you the install, and then we're going to get Joan's reaction to these really cool vinyl cutouts. All right, so the logo replacement is actually just a vinyl overlay. You use the existing logos and you just put these over top of it. This is by a company called IPG Guard. It is a 9-piece vinyl set, and we ended up going with a blue carbon fiber to kind of match our company colors a little bit more and give Joan a more unique looking vehicle. I'm going to see if we can try and get the blue in here with the carbon fiber. You can see it actually looks pretty unique. So this is the one for the steering wheel on the inside of the car. We then have the 4 for the wheels on the outside. We also have the front logo, same as the rear, and also 2 little ones that you can actually put on the outside cameras that are in the fenders. Then of course you have the installation instructions and a squeegee, also a lint cloth to pick up any fibers that are just hanging out. So let's go put these guys on and see how the final product looks. All right, so the first step in doing this whole process obviously is to clean any of the junk that is on the original logo itself, because this is basically just a sticker install. To be honest with you, if you can install stickers on something, the hardest part on this is just actually lining it up on the edges. So we've cleaned the badge off itself, and now what we're going to do is actually find the logo for the rear, which in this case is actually the same as the front. What we're going to do is peel this backing off, and we're going to put this in the trash, and we're going to line up each of these points on the Tesla logo. Now this kit did come with that squeegee. You don't necessarily have to use the squeegee. I'm actually just going to use my finger. We're going to line it up as close as possible to it. And once we press down on the whole thing, we pull away the protective layer. Now it looks pretty good. All right, now the fronts, we actually had a little bit of an issue peeling it back from the protective covering that comes with these things. The top portion of the Tesla logo peeled off. It's actually not a huge deal as long as we can line up the top of it. Let's get this as close as possible. Now again, because these are vinyl covers, these aren't going to be an absolute perfect of a match. But we will get it as close as we can. And we have no bubbles. We peel back the protective film. And that's the front one. All right, so the steering wheel is just the same process as the outside is. So we'll wipe this down, make sure it's nice and clean. Dry it off. All right, this is what we're gonna do is we're actually just gonna clean off the Tesla portion in the middle of the badge. It's a brand new car, so I'm not too concerned about it. I'm gonna take this top one, and flip it. Line up the top. Make sure it's relatively close. Then we do the big one. Now the less you touch the back side of this, the better, obviously, because the adhesive that comes with it, you want to make sure it has a good contact point. Line you up right about there. There we go. Not too shabby. All right, so we're actually done putting the emblem covers on this vehicle itself. Joan opted out of doing them on the 4 wheels on the outside and also on the 2 little plastic pieces on top of the cameras, which is perfectly fine. It's her car, she's going to be driving it every day, but we have a question for her. Joan!
Hello there!
What do you like about the logos?
Well, first of all, I'm super excited. Thank you for putting them on for me.
You're welcome, I'll bill you later.
They look spectacular. And the reason I wanted these on was so that I could find my white Tesla from the front or from the behind with the little blue emblem now that I have on the T.
Hooray! So it's problem solved for now.
Yes, for now.
For now.
Florida, everybody has a white car. This is going to be super helpful for me. So
Hopefully. We have a couple other things we're going to be doing to this as well, so make sure you guys follow along. Make sure you like this video.
Turn on your notifications and subscribe.
That's all for today. Bye.
Ciao.